Hello, my name is Carlos Manuel Lopez Bogel. Today I will take about quality control. Sorry for my bad pronunciation, but I can try. Communication is the process of transferring information from a sender to a receiver with the use of medium by which communication information is understood by both sender and receiver. It is a process that allows organisms to exchange information by several methods. Communication requires that parties understand and common language that is exchanged. There are other means such as speaking, singing, and sometimes tones of voice, and non-verbal psychical means such as body language, sign language, paralanguage, touch, eye contact, or the use of writing. Communication is defined as a process by which we assign and convey meaning in an attempt to create shared understanding. The process requires an vast range of skills in interpersonal and interpersonal processing, listening, observing, speaking, question, analyzing, and evaluation. Use of this process is a development and transfers to all areas of life, home, school, community, work, and beyond. It is taught communication that collaboration and cooperation. Communication is the articulation of sending a message through different media, whether it be verbal or non verbal, so long as being that strengthens toward provoking idea, question, action, etc.